Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to set a price for your Gumroad product. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So step 1, you need to go to your Gumroad account. On the left menu, click on products. You can select an existing product or click new product to create a new one. So I want to sell a new product from pantry to plate. It's still an ebook and it talks about recipes, menus, about cooking. Now here is I'm going to set the price. Now let's just say you are a beginner to this and you don't have any idea what prices to add here. So now that you have chose your product type, I can show you this typical price range. For ebooks, a short guide, the typical price range ranges from $5 to $20. Ebooks full guide, here it is like $20 to $50. For workbooks, $2 to $15. You can see it right here. And then for Notion templates, $5 to $50. And then Google Sheet and Excel tools ranges from $10 to $75. So at least you have a little bit idea on what type of product and typical price range you're going to put on your ebook. So since this one is a short guide, I'll just choose 15, or maybe later I can select 10. Also, you can ask more ideas from a web browser. And a web browser, you can see here the lower prices to consider since you are just a beginner. So it is better to start with lower prices like $5 to $10 and then increases prices maybe later. So it's up to you if you want to, start from low, but it is highly suggested. So for me, I want to change this to 10 because this is just, again, a short guide. Now, once done, you can now tap save and continue, upload your content, and then publish this. So that's how easy it is to set a price for your Gumroad product. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.